Hello guys, hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm making a potato salad, and for this salad all I need is cubed potatoes. Salt the water and boil them, and then I'm going to let them cool down because you can't use hot things when you're making a salad. Everything has to be cool. So I'm going to add cucumbers, onions and tomatoes to the salad. So just add them to the dish. As you can see, the potatoes have cooled down. Add everything together. And for the dressing, I'm going to use mayo and chili. I'm using Tabasco chili. Mix them together very well. And then we add them to our vegetables. It's a very nice salad. It's very good to accompany the rest of your dishes, and also it's a very good starter. So I'm just going to add the dressing to the potatoes and then mix until everything combines together, and our salad will be ready for eating. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, click the subscribe button, and in case you've liked the video, click the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.